everybody, it's Alicia from Huggable Earth. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of this Tula Pink iron. I'm so excited. I was very tempted to actually buy the full size that I bought and the little one, but I just thought that was unnecessary. I do have a Rowenta, so that's the best iron that I have to compare this to. So I ordered this from a local quilt shop, Tiger Lily Quilt Company in New Hartford, New York. It might be Utica, New York. But they are a great company to do business with, and she got it within a week and a half. Called me up. I drove over there, picked it up, and it was $219. That was cheaper than anywhere online. Not only was it cheaper than anywhere online, but like a lot of places, it was like $240, $250, $280 on some places. And that was like a wait to like, I don't know, 2 months for some places. So I'm really glad that I went and checked my local quilt company, because she didn't have them in stock, but she did order it, and it was super fast anyway, because she gets the Tula Pink fabrics and such. So it was very quick and easy for her to do that for me. Okay, so it's gorgeous. This is a little filler. This is more than I've ever spent on an iron. Like I said, my best iron to compare it to is a Rowenta. And it's been a good iron. However, I can't tell you how many things I've burned, because I'm like a forgetful ninny when it comes to ironing. So this auto lift is going to be amazing for me. Or whatever they call it. I'm the Touch Smart Iron. Okay. Smart iron. Okay, so that's our little filler. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, look at this iron. I know that things like this are like a limited time thing. Oh, diamond ceramic flow, okay. Please don't feed the fish. It is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it's so weighty. I love this swivel. The cord looks very good and long, as they said that it would be everywhere that I saw online. So let's check it out. So I do want to iron something. I was just in a Tula Pink kind of mood. So I ordered from a new shop online on Etsy. Rainshadowfabrics. And my order came to $161. So she sent me free pins. They are actually my favorite pins of all time. They never like have burrs on them where when you stick them into the fabric and stuff, they like, they like snag, or they don't go through nice and easy. Like, these are always good. I've bought 2 or 3 packages of them myself in the past, so that was a really nice surprise. So I mainly make cloth pads for my business. So I wanted these fabrics because I think that I can design a shape on my computer program, my embroidery program, that is like very similar to these little silhouettes of the dogs. And then I want to just have like a whole cloth pad with the dog on the top, and I think they're going to cut out really nicely and stuff. But yeah, I love my dog. I love dogs in general, actually. I think that they're adorable. Mine is really stinky right now. He needs a bath. But he is a pug mixed with, we think, maybe a bulldog. I had to adopt him because my mom had actually adopted him 2 years ago now, almost exactly to the day. May 23rd is when she adopted him. And he and her dog, she has a Jack Russell mix. Her Jack Russell mix, Kara, she hated Zeke. And like my mom had to keep him in separate rooms. It was like this big thing. So, you know, okay, I'm getting off on a tangent here about these dogs. But anyway, my mom couldn't have him, and he is like the sweetest dog that there ever was. So just so you can see, I don't know, you know, sometimes it's hard to tell online how big like a panel is, or like a silhouette of something. If that's helpful to anyone. My hand is not huge, but these dogs are about the size of my hand. So I'm very blessed to have Zeke. I also did get the cats. I don't remember what these are called. Okay, I don't remember. I just know that I went a little bit hog wild with these fabrics this last time, and I don't need any fabric. Actually, I have over 500 yards of fabric in my studio at all times for work, for play, and I absolutely did not need these. However, they're gorgeous, and I love animals, and I also have a ball python, Ponyo, and this snake reminds me so much of him. I had to get 2 yards of this one also. I got 2 yards of all the dogs, and 2 yards of the Moon Garden snakes. Moon Gardens, I remembered one. This, I actually didn't even know. You couldn't even tell in the pictures online that they're sparkly, those stars on those little bunnies. Got another hamster. We got goldfish, and that's actually golden too. So they're beautiful fabrics. They just offer the most beautiful fabrics. And this, come on. Do we want to iron this one? I think we do. I'll also get a very, very wrinkly one too, and we'll do that. And I think just for the purpose of this video, so I don't have to like leave and then come back, I'm not going to put water in it. I'm sure there have been a million videos on this iron, but I just want to check it out. Maybe I'll go get some water really quick. Okay, so I'm just going to pop these back in. Oh, they're so beautiful. I'm so happy with them. And that Rainshadowfabrics, she got my order to me so fast. It was ordered April 3rd. I'm looking at my order now. Ordered April 3rd, and I got it April 8th. So, that was very fast, in my opinion. For, you know, for any homemade type business, for any Etsy business, for any fabric business, that's just as quick as Joann's is going to get it to you. If not quicker. They're slow nowadays. I try to go to the store when I need something from there. Okay, so our cord it's super long. What did they say it was? 8 feet? I think so. Gorgeous, nice long cord. We have this little safety feature, which I love. Keeps your tongs perfectly straight, but also is a safety feature in case you have little ones, which I do have 3, but they're not very little anymore. And we are pregnant with a 4th. And they're all boys. And the baby's going to be a boy. So, we are blessed with boys. That's why it's been a while since I've done a video. Oh, sorry about all the shaking of this. It's really something, isn't it? Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. What we're going to do is plug this bad boy in and heat it up. Oh, well, look at that. Oh, did you see it? It did it just for us. just for us right there. Okay, that's lovely. Oh my gosh. And then as soon as I touch it, just, okay. Are you seeing that? That's just really cool. Okay. So our owner's manual. I don't understand the Spanish. I apologize. If only I was fluent in multiple languages, it would be a wonder to behold, for sure. But, alas, I'm not. Okay. 3 simple steps to start. Fill unplugged. Okay, we're not filling it right now. 2 fill cups equal the max capacity of the water tank. Okay. Plug it in, choose a fabric setting, and then set to the desired steam level. And then iron. When the green light stops blinking and is solid, the iron is ready for use. Touch the handle and begin using. Oh, okay. Well, we're not going to do water. You don't always need water. I am actually going to, oh boy, oh wow, I love this. Synthetic linen and cotton. There we go. Oh, it just goes all the way over. Okay, did you see that? I don't know. I probably had my stupid finger in the way. Okay, so I'm gonna go all the way over to that, and we're gonna do the no steam setting since I have no water in here. Well, I think that's just lovely. That is just absolutely lovely. Okay, so basically all we have in this one are some creases, and it's definitely getting hot. And I bet those creases will come right out. Oh, they do. This is wonderful. Okay, and now, you know, you can just set it on its end like you would any other iron, and that's fine as well. Those are pretty good fold creases where it stayed folded from, you know, being in my package for the last little bit. I've been waiting to do a video to show you guys. So I haven't played with any of my fabric yet or any of my fun things like my iron. Okay. And I mean, that crease is completely gone. And then you can see it starts back up. That's pretty good. I mean, I'm pretty happy with that. Of course, it gets more wrinkled after you've had it in the washing machine and dryer. Here we go. We're gonna do this. And it is all the way on the cotton setting right now. So, but no steam. So we can kind of see how that does. I ironed that for a good bit. And that's quite wrinkle free. I mean, your wrinkle is going to start right about there again where we didn't iron, but that's pretty impressive. I've got to say I'm pretty impressed by that, because you can clearly see this solid, you know, that's a solid line there, and then it just disappears up here where we have just ironed it. So I think that that's pretty excellent. I'm happy with this. Very happy with that. I love that I can just leave it here and it's not going to ruin my project. That's fabulous. So now let's do a little bit more wrinkled. Okay. I do want to make some journals. And I'm thinking this fabric looks perfect for the earthy type journals that I'm going to be working on. But it's very, very wrinkled. And I think we can easily fix that right now. I'm sure with steam this would be pressed much better also. I just did not have that prepared. I don't know why. I don't know why I didn't have it prepared. Now that section is perfectly flat though. Now we go up there and we'll do this edge because this is a pre-washed cotton. And it is a nice like quilt cotton too. So just to give you guys an idea, see our wrinkles. Okay, let's go over them. This is a powerful iron. This is a very powerful iron. Like I'm really, whoop, I just made that wrinkle. I'm really quite impressed with this. This is quite a powerful iron indeed. Okay. Oh look, now we're getting somewhere here. Look at this. That's really, really, it's a good iron. Oh, I love it. I just love it too. It really, I mean, that did a wonderful job. It did a wonderful job, and that's not any steam. So if you run out of water, it's not a huge deal because it really did a great job anyway. It like really truly did, and I wouldn't say that lightly. I don't spend $219 on a product lightly. I am all about good tools in my workroom though, because I not only sew for fun, but I sew for my work. It's my career, it's my job. So you know, I care about the tools being good. But I don't spend that money lightly either, you know. We do have 3 children and 1 on the way, my husband and I, and so, you know, I want to make sure I'm getting a good product for my money's worth. I think everybody does. I feel like this is, though. I do feel like this is. I've looked at Oliso irons for a very long time. Always wanted one. And this one's just gorgeous. I think that it's perfect for well, anyone who likes color. But also the features of it. You know, I could have gotten any Oliso iron if I had gone to my craft store. You know, but I just love the colors. I just think that Tula Pink makes a very nice product. They make very nice scissors. Like I have these ones. They're one of my favorite scissors. They're very sharp and I love them. And I'm happy I was able to get my hands on this. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm going to continue ironing my fabric, I think. Now, okay, it thought I was setting it down. And I don't know why it thought that. Just as I took my hand off for a split second. So yeah, it will lift right away. See, just okay, see, it can't sense on the sides. It's the underneath of it. The sides though are the top. Okay, the top. Not the sides. If you hold it by the sides, it's gonna stay up. You have to fully grab it. Okay, that's good to know. I don't know these things. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I think it's a fantastic iron. I'm very happy with it. And yeah, thanks for watching. All right, I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.